Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. You don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all I have to do is open a web browser and dive in shopify.com. So this is the homepage as you can see, and we have here various things and several information. But before, let's know what is Shopify affiliate program. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify, drop that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So first of all, you have here become a Shopify affiliate program. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. So first you click over apply now and you get started. So first of all, you have just to write you sign up with email firstly, and you write your first name, your last name, and your username, your email address, then your password also, and your mobile phone. Then you click over get started. Then you will find this page. How would you categorize your business? You have just to select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your businesses. First of all, we have social influencer. My audience follows me for entertainment, education, and community, and they engage with social native content that we produce. We have here content and reviews. My audience comes to my properties to learn more about specific products or products categories, find gift ideas with reviews, and make informed purchasing decisions. Then we have loyalty and rewards. My audience receives compensation when they make purchases, and I help connect them to those rewards. Then we have your deal and coupons. My audience relies on us for the save money and make safe purchasing decisions. We present coupons, vouchers, and or discounts on this property. Then we have email newsletter, search comparison, network, technology solution, cross audience monetization. So you choose the one you want and you click over continue. Then you find this page. Add social. You can add more than one account from each type of social platforms: Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, and Weibo. Then we have here tell us about yourself. So we have individuals. I'm an individual or creator who promotes brands across my own media properties. Then we have company here. I am a member of represent a company who promotes brand across its media properties. Then you write your account display, company select, and LinkedIn company page, country, mail address, the first one, and we have the second street address. Then you write your city and your zip code. Then we have your time zone also, and about currency, choose dollar or choose your currency. Then you click over submit. So if you choose individuals, you have just to write your account display name and country and your region, email address, and then we have city here, zip code, and that's it. Then you click over submit and you get started. So let's come back here. Have you become a Shopify affiliate? Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify app plans or Shopify point of sale. If we scroll down, we have here two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify plan refers, get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have here Shopify Pulse Pro referrals, earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then we have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Then we have we are committed to success. Then we have here frequently asked questions. What is the Shopify Affiliate Program? The Shopify Affiliate Program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must firstly own and run an active website, then have an established audience, then create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos, then have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, then have read and agreed to the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. And if we scroll down, we have here how will I know if my application is accepted. Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about the merchants I refer? Then what are Shopify's brand guidelines? So right now I will show you how you can get started and earn money with Shopify. First of all, we have here YouTube. So for example, we have this one, and if we scroll down, we have here his link. So once you click over this link, this one click, they earn a commission. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each one. So the first one, we have YouTube. So YouTube is a powerful affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and build trust by producing product videos, reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos. You can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video descriptions, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates, as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have here TikTok. So TikTok thrives on creativity and short-form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. So then we have Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visual showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. By utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your image, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share quick recommendation and utilize the link sticker for shameless access to a affiliate link. Additionally, creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.